Hello everyone, Aaron here and welcome back to Sudoku. This is a little bonus video I thought. So in the puzzle we solved today in Leetcode, they gave us this as a demo of Sudoku that we have to try and validate, and they said this will make a valid Sudoku. Let's give it a go. Right, so starting with ones, we can immediately see we've got a 1 in one of these two positions in box 5. It was 4 in the video, but it's 5 in traditional Sudoku numbering. 1 is in one of two places up here. I can't do anything there. I can place a 1 already down here, which is nice because there's no 1 there and there's no 1 there. 1 is in any position up there. I don't think I can do any more with my 1s, so let's have a look at 2s. 2 is locked into one of two places in here. That puts a 2 in the middle row. Can't do anything with that. 2's up here. 2's are a bit of a dead end, aren't they? 3, I can place a 3 immediately because I've got 3, 3, 3. Where else can I place a 3? I've got 3's knocking out there and there, so I can place a 3 in one of two positions. So those are out, and that one's out now as well. So I've got a 3 in one of two positions there. I've got a 3 in one of two positions down here. 3s have been a bit more fruitful. 4s gets knocked out of there and out of there. So this becomes a 1-4 pair, which is nice. The 4 is locked up there. It's not helpful. 4's placed in this box. So that's a 4 by Sudoku. Let's finish off this pair while we're here. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are pairs with 6s. Oh, and we've got the 6, so we can actually just turn that into a 6. So that's the 3. That gives us the 3 up here. Does that carry on anywhere? I don't immediately see how it does. So we were looking at 4s, weren't we? So we've got a 4 in one of two positions down here. 4, I think that's dying out. Let's look at the 5s. I can place the 5 in box 3. 5 is a bit harder to place anywhere else. 6s. 6 is looking good to me. That's done. 6 is in one of these two positions. Whoops, pencil mark mode. 6 in one of those two. I can't see any more 6s. Probably are plenty more to get. 7's go in. Oops, actually no. 7 is in just one position. In box 5, that puts a 7 in exactly one position in box 6. 7's up here in one of two positions. 7 here is in one of two positions, so that's not the 7. That is the 7. 8 gets pushed exactly here in this box. 8 is in exactly one position in this box. Up here we have two positions for the 8. Oops, for the 8, not the 9. Actually, we can do better than that. We can put an 8 up here, which knocks it out of there, which gives us our 8 over here. And in fact, we can do even better because we've got an 8 looking up here. And that was a 6-8 pair. So that's immediately resolved. That's 6. Does that buy us anything? 6 down here. Yes, it does. We can place a 6 in one of two positions. That 8, does that carry on? 8, 8, 8. How many 8s do I have? Got all the 8s. 9. 9, 9. 9 goes into, oops, one of two positions. 9 is locked in into one of two positions. 9 is in exactly one position here, which is nice. Can I do any better? 9 is not there and it's not there, so that gets me a 9 in one of two positions. That might be as good as we can do on the 9. So what? This is a freebie now. What's this guy? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is what we're missing. 6, 7, 8, 9. Excellent. So 5, 5. We've got a 5 in one of two places down here. This column is looking awfully crap. In fact, this column is looking even better. We're missing a 2. Unless I've misscanned that. I don't think I have. That 2 is, there's 2 forced down here somewhere. In fact, it's in one of two positions. So let's quickly make a note of that. And that forces a 2 into one of two positions here. So we've got a 2, 7 pair. We're missing 4s in this box. Can I resolve the 4? Yes, I can. So that's a 1 there and a 4 there. That pushes a 4 out of there. We get the 4 here. Where else can I work magic with 4s? Is it going to let me work magic with 4s? Yes, it is. 4 is no longer in any of those, so 4 is there. 4 is now out of that column, so 4 is there. 4 is there. 1 goes in there. 1 goes in here. 1 goes in here. We've got 1, 1 left to place, and I cannot find him. He lives up there. That must be a 9 now. The 9s must be getting awfully cramped. 9 is in one of two positions there. We got a little X-wing on 9s. There and there, they're lining up. That 6 will resolve that, I suspect. Where else is looking rather crowded? You're a right-in. You are a 5. I think that's correct. Does that 5 do any heavy lifting for us? Doesn't look like it. These two, what are these? These are a 2, 9 pair, which I can't immediately see how to resolve. Ooh, that's a bit of a worry. These 3 are known. Oh, so where does 3 go? 9 go in this column? It must go here, apparently, by pencil mark. No! Oh gosh, I have a bad pencil mark there. Get rid of those immediately. 9, 9. 9 should have been in one of those two, not one of those two. But now it definitely can't go there, so I think that one is a 9, leaving us with a... We've got a 2 and a something else. Well, there's a 2 staring at that, so that one is just immediately the 2. 1, 2, I can't see it for looking. Is it a 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, it is the 3 apparently. So this is a 2, 5, or 6. Well, it's not a 2, so it must be 5 or 6. Can I resolve that? No, I can't. This one's a right in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I want to say. 7, that resolves these guys up here. That gives me the 7 and the 2. The 2 is now locked into one of two positions here. This box is starting to look very crowded. What are we missing down here? 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. Which can, as far as doesn't seem to be resolved. And is it a 6? I think it's a 6 as well that it's meant to live with, and I can't for the life of me see how to resolve that either. This is looking very dangerous down here. Right, what are we missing here? 2s, 3s, and 4s. 4 has to go in the middle spot. It's not a pencil mark. 4, 3, 2 go in. That pushes the 2 over here, which does not make that a 6, but that does make that a 5. That can still be a 6. Let's not lose that pencil mark. You're a right in now. You are a 3, I want to say. You're not a 4, you're a 3. There we go. Is that correct? 4, 5, 6, I think it is. What's this missing? 1, 2, it's got a 6 and a 7. Well, the 7 has to go there, so that must be our 6. That gives us our 6 and our 5. That 6 is nice because it forces the 6 over here, the 9 up here, and that gives us the 9 down here and the 2 up here. That gives us the 2 down here, and this one is a 5, I think. Congratulations, we've solved the puzzle. I didn't know where it was going to tell me. Amazing. All right, that's it for this quick little video just at the end of the day, and I will see you next time. Bye.